Hi guys, this is Val. Welcome back to Val's Kitchen. I hope you're doing okay. Today on the menu is some gungo soup, the dry one I'm gonna be using today. This is all the ingredients for the soup. This is a piece of salt beef, right? I soak it overnight. The reason why I soak it overnight because what I find out from earlier days, I just know say you just scald it and you throw with the flavor water there. You understand? Some I don't scald it. You just soak it overnight to get rid of the salt. You understand? Most of the salt. And this is a fresh meat, right? This is a fresh one. So I'm gonna put some vinegar on it to wash it and kind of slice it in a bite-sized pieces. And I can show you how I'm gonna slice it up, right? So I have coconut that I'm gonna be grating to make up the ingredients, the flavor. Alright? Here are sweet potato. I have a piece of yellow yam and I have dasheen. Seasoning now. This is thyme, pimento seed, scallion, green pepper. You must put the right pepper still, you understand? And I have some flour and cornmeal put together. So in the process I'm gonna be showing you all how I put everything together. Alright, so just come along with me. Alright? Yeah. So guys, you may be wondering where are the pumpkin and the carrot. I don't use pumpkin and carrot in pea soup. Alright? If I use in pumpkin and carrot, it's gonna be like pumpkin soup. Like you put chicken soup, chicken foot soup, beef soup. I put the pumpkin and so in it. But like for pea soup, I'm not put it in it. Pumpkin and the carrot change the flavor of my pea soup. Yeah. So now, this is the beef stew I'm gonna use. I have the corned beef over here. So this now is gonna be the fresh beef, right? So I'm just gonna slice it like this. And I don't want it in a sky, you know, so them something will shrink. So you know you can cut off, get rid of all of these things that you don't want. See that, you know? So these are the parts that we need or we want for the soup. Right? Yeah. So in the process now as I go along and show now. Alright, I'm soon come back and show you my reach. Okay? Alright, this is the stew beef. Now I'm gonna wash it. Right, I'm gonna wash it with the vinegar. Alright, so I'm gonna come back now. So there's the peas with some garlic. Yeah, we put about four or five pegs of garlic in that. About a pound of peas. So I'm gonna put the meat. Yeah. Put the salt beef too. I put all the meat and the peas one time. And then I throw water. I use coconut milk, you know. When I cook the peas and the meat. Right? I put the peas and the meat with the water, but when the peas and the meat cook, I'm gonna come back, pre-season this. Alright. Some thyme, some pimento seed, right, and some scallion. Right. And you know what? I'm not gonna put any salt because we have the salt beef. So the salt I'm gonna stay till the final, right? So I'm gonna now just close down this. Close on this and come back in about 25 minutes time and come check. I'll come back 25 minutes time, alright? Alright. I'm gonna just cut up this coconut to blend. You can use other milk, you know, but to me the coconut, the real coconut, it gives a nicer flavor. Yeah, it makes it taste more authentic. We get some of the juice already. This is the last part. Now in that juice. Alright. So if you get all the juice right here, now you use your hand. Guys, this is about a pound and a half of flour. I'm just put about a quarter cup of cornmeal. I won't be using any salt because the meat salt, the soup already, you know them look away the salt beef and all of that, so the dumpling will just absorb all of the salt. So I'm not gonna be putting any salt in this dumpling. My hands are clean. Yes, make sure anyway, and must be in the kitchen, okay? Your pea soup now complete without your cornmeal dumpling. You know them look away? And you put the water, you don't throw all the hot water at once. You just put a little bit at a time, you know? Because it is too soft, it is spoiled, and you know if it's spoiled once again, you don't have no more flour, you know, so we all have to just be careful, a little at a, you know, little bit at a time. Guys, so the final, guys. So I am here now. Let me check in back about, you know, say about 45 minutes this takes to cook. Because it look like the peas them never did so soft. So watch it now. Them cook now and the meat tender enough to put in the fat right through the meat, so you know so that cook. Right? And that. Peas them burst. Peas and burst and everything. So what I'm gonna be doing now is putting in the coconut milk. Alright. I'm gonna put this amount of coconut milk. to there because I'm gonna be putting in the food, the yam and the banana and the dumpling and bring it up. Right? Yeah. Alright, so coconut milk here we're alright. As I tell you again guys, we did put in the salt at the beginning, you know, when we finish seasoning up and everything, at that time I will come back and put in some more salt and season it over, put in a piece more scallion and piece more thyme and stuff. Right? The water is still warm, you know. The water is still at a temperature, so we can put these, the provision then. Right, the dasheen, potato and the yam. Them can go in because once the water not cold, yeah. And what you can do, you see guys, you can cut some of the potato them small, that's a mash out. You understand? To get this nicer flavor. The sweet potatoes, just cut up some of that smaller size, but them just boil right out in your soup. Right? Yeah. So I'm gonna put in everything and then come back. Alright? Alright guys, so the coconut milk and the yam, sweet potato and the dasheen put in, right? So now I'm gonna be putting in my dumplings. Don't put any salt as yet anyways. Guys, you can crush some of the sweet potato. Maybe I tell you that all already, right? Just crush out some of your sweet potato. Let's cut them small and some dice up some small sizes so them just boil right out. You know your coconut milk with the red pea soup and then the sweet potato boil up, the flavor turn up. Yeah. What I'm gonna be doing now, when I done put in all the dumplings, I just come back and taste it. If it wants some more season, I know I'm gonna put in some more season, you know, tap it up back and thing. Alright? All the dumplings are finished, so I'm gonna now put a piece more time because we season it at the beginning, you know, but not all of them season there. Let's do some more. Put in a green pepper. I'm not gonna be putting any more pimento seed. That was enough, so just a piece of thyme. And this is the point now I'm gonna taste if it have enough salt. Yeah. Okay, so now just taste for salt. You can take a little bit more salt. Just put in about a half a teaspoon right there, so I'm put half teaspoon. Yeah, and what I'm gonna be doing now, leave it. Now at this point is gonna leave it and make it do its own thing now. Cook down, get the body, the right consistency that you all want. You know, the point here now we just leave it. Alright? Now cover it down, just rest the pressure. Cover over it and turn on the stove because I don't want it to boil over. Soon come back. Yes. So this is what I was telling you all about. This mashed potato, I just crush some of the sweet potato with some of the peas. Some of the peas come up with it, right? So I just crush it same time with it same way. So this is the mashed potato. Sweet potato. Right? Yeah. Get the Just boil out. I see how some people are cook soup and I put all cornstarch, flour for thickening. No, I don't know about that still, but when I do that, if I do this, I will do that way here. Use the sweet potato and just make it boil out tonight. Alright. Yes, guys, I am finished. I'm gonna be turning off the stove. And remember, taste the pot. You cannot wrong on that, alright? Turn it off. Alright then. I'm gonna be sharing a plate at the same time. A piece of yam. Piece of yam, you have dumpling, you have meat. Yeah. Alright guys, this is my finished gungo pea soup. Right? I hope you enjoy with me. Alright? And please remember to like the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, you know, how you do your pea soup. Yeah? And turn on the post notification bell so every time I do an upload you can watch the video. Thank you all. Bye.